For my next video, I would like to teach you the best way to download YouTube videos that I know about. But before we do that, it is necessary to have Python installed in your computer. So that's why I'm making this video, to show you how to install Python. Okay, so there are many ways to install Python. One of them would be by using the official website, that is this one, python.org. But I remember when I've used this website, the installation tends to be a bit tricky. So instead of this, I would prefer to use this one that is called MINICONDA. There is another installation that is called Conda that is a bit bigger, but this one will give you all the necessary tools to start using it right away. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and select the version that applies for my system. So that would be the first one right here. It's going to start to download it. And here it is. So it's really simple. You just open it as admin and we start the installation. So we hit next, agree to the terms. I'm gonna leave it for all users. Next, one more time. And right here, if you have another installation of Python or Anaconda or whatever, I suggest that you erase it completely by following my other tutorial, because it might conflict with this one and things may not work. So if your computer is completely clean at this point, I suggest that you click in here and it's gonna work perfectly for you. All right, so let's install. And that's it. We hit next. We don't need to do this and finish. If you want to check that it works, it's really simple. You just need to open up a command prompt. That will be right here. You write cmd, and then in this window, you will write conda, like this, conda. And you hit enter. And if it doesn't say anything else than this, if it doesn't say like this command does not exist or anything like that, then the installation went perfectly. So yeah, that's it for this video, and I'll see you around.